This is my cat Ariel. Ariel! She's very complainy sometimes, but very sweet. Right now she doesn't want to be up here. But I'm going to give her some treats. And she likes treats. I have two kinds that I give her. Pretty often, actually. This kind is called Pounce, which she likes a lot. And these are feline greenies. These are supposed to be better because they have grass and stuff like that in them, which is healthier, but they're both good. So, for example, do you want a treat? Here she is. Alright. I think she likes these Pounce ones a little bit more because they're not as good for her. So they're more like candy, I guess. They have corn, and corn isn't good for cats. Treat? Treat? Ooh, she likes them. Yeah? Huh? There she goes. And this is the other kind. Ariel, do you want another treat? Treat? It's up here. You have to jump up to get it. Come up here. Ariel, come up here. I don't think you can see her, but she's sitting and meowing. There you are. Treat. Yes. So, that's my cat Ariel.